Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all good. I've got an extra video for you tonight. We've got a Moulds and Shapes unboxing. This is not only exciting because it is a huge Moulds and Shapes unboxing, but it's exciting because Moulds and Shapes reopen on the 1st of August 2026 for brand new orders. They've got so many brand new molds and they are staying open. First up, we have got the Lava Terra. Am I saying that right? Lava Terra flower range. This is a huge range. I have got the 4 set of coasters and they are available in small, medium, large trays, and you can also buy sets, so you can buy 2 molds in one go. It's entirely up to you, but do check out their website. These are quite large, measuring around 12 should I say, centimeters, depending on whereabouts you measure from. Next up, we've got the Baby Cloud range. This is something special and different I've not seen before. First up, we've got this whole selection of what look like key rings, but some of them have got double loops on. So I was thinking, oh, this is different. Like, oh, we can create like a baby mobile. We've got clouds, stars, we've got rainbows. Absolutely adorable. But it doesn't end there, because look at this. This is a giant baby cloud, new birth, new baby plaque. It's almost like either a door hanging or it could be a baby mobile hung somewhere very safe, please. Thank you very much. It's huge, measuring over 23 centimeters top to bottom, and you saw the measurement on the screen left to right because voiceover's getting ahead of me. It says hello little one. It's got 2 loops at the top to hang it, and then at the bottom it's got a series of loopholes. Now this is where you are going to attach your pink or blue wool, and then you're going to hang all of these gorgeous danglies from it and create a stunning either wall art piece or a door hanging or a mobile hung somewhere very safe, not above child's head. It doesn't end there though, because look at this. If you wanted an under the sea ocean themed new baby plaque, you could also attach these adorable under the sea creatures plus shells, a little heart with waves. We've got an anchor, we've got a crab, we've got a dolphin, got a whale, got a seahorse. Gorgeous. Now, next up, we've got the cobble coasters. This is a set of 4 cobble coasters. Let's not forget, Moulds and Shapes always put that little bit in the middle as well. No silicone goes to waste. Again, this is quite a good range. You can also buy this as a tray. You can buy it as a set, or you can just buy the individual components. Now, this is a bit of me. I got excited when I saw these because, oh my goodness me, stop. If you guys have been with me a while, you know I love Halloween. These are Halloween door hangers and they are adorable. Absolutely adorable. Now, this is set 2. I had a really good mooch on the website. There are 2 sets, right? This is set 2. Go check out set 1 because, oh my goodness me, that is equally stunning. Set of 3 door hangers in set 1 and set 2. Finally, last but not least, we have got a brand new whole entire selection of Christmas tree bauble molds. Look at these. How beautiful are they? The shapes, we've got the teardrop shapes, we've got the scalloped edges, and we've got a simple round one there as well. Now these are quite large, again measuring around 11.5 centimeters in length on this big one and 6.5 centimeters across. So that is a chunky beast. So we've got some really decent sized Christmas decorations in this one mold. Now this one here is measuring 8 by, hurry up Claire, move faster, what is it, 8 by 10 and a half, is that what I'm saying? Around that. And a huge selection, there's loads of them in there. So again, choices, the world is your oyster with this mold. So many possibilities. Now that is all I have for you today. I mean, I say that's all, that's quite a lot. All of the details will be down below. 1st of September, remember? No, not the 1st of September. 1st of August. Oh my gosh, guys. August 1st. 1st of August. 1st of August 2026. Moulds and Shapes reopen for orders and they are staying open. So if you want to get your hands on any of these or any mould you've ever seen me use by Moulds and Shapes, do check out the description box below. Get ready. Make sure you use my code CCC10. Get that money off, guys. Get that discount. The link is in the description box. There's only 2 more sleeps until we can order. See you soon.